Welcome back, readers. We're at TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, two power inverter brands will be going head-to-head. We have the Krieger Power Inverter and the BESTEK 300-watt Car Power Inverter. The handy power bank is the #1 gadget you'll be bringing along with you during road trips. But if that fails and runs out of juice, you're going to need a backup plan. That is where car power inverters come in handy. More than just a unit to charge devices, they can also be a source of power for other smaller appliances such as a TV or microwave. Not all of these are made equal though, so in this video we will be bringing out only the best. In today's brand wars, we have two excellent power inverters going head-to-head. We have the Krieger Power Inverter versus the BESTEK 300-watt Car Power Inverter, in which both of them have garnered 5 badge ratings from our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com. Be sure to watch until the end to decide which product best suits you in today's brand wars. If you are interested in other power inverters that we have reviewed, do check out our power inverter review video linked below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these power inverters will be going toe-to-toe with would be their inverter type. There are two main types of inverters. The first one is a pure sine wave, which is usually more expensive but is capable of producing power for a wider range of equipment. These are very similar to the ones you have in your home, but they may not work optimally without a steady and pure supply of sine waves. The second one is the modified sine wave, which is more affordable. These are usually enough for most electronics, but might not be able to power more complicated gadgets and appliances. In this round, both Krieger and BESTEK are modified sine waves, which allow you to run simple systems that don't have any delicate electronics or audio equipment. Both of these units can run lights, TV, microwave ovens, tools, and more, which is more than enough for your typical road trip. With both these products having the same inverter type, we will be ending this round in a tie. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their ports. It is important to check the number of connection options before making your purchase. The more ports available means that you can power more devices on a single inverter. It is also worth noting that a number of inverters boast USB ports and AC outlets that charge electronic gadgets such as phones or laptops with ease. Once again, both the Krieger and BESTEK have identical features in this category. Each of them offers 2 USB ports and 2 standard North American outlets. Since the facts are pretty clear and Krieger and BESTEK both have the same features, we will give both of them a point in this round. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their safety features. Improper use of a power inverter can result in property damage or injury. Before purchasing one, make sure to check if it offers a number of safety features that will protect you and your equipment in case of any mishaps. Krieger offers all the protection that you will need, such as overload, temperature, and short-circuit protection. All of these are shown on the LCD display, which also indicates the input voltage, output wattage, and battery level for proper monitoring. Meanwhile, BESTEK also boasts a number of safety features thanks to its built-in 40-ampere fuse that protects all your devices. Its safe charging design offers protection against overheating, under and over wattage charging, as well as short-circuiting. The 3 things you should worry about when using an inverter are overheating, overloading, and short-circuiting. Both these power inverters have protection against all 3, which is why it would only be reasonable to once again end with a tie, tallying up the score to 3-3. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their durability. It is always important to take a look at how well built the car power inverter is. You'll obviously want to get the best value for your money. And one way of doing that is to make sure that these devices last. Krieger features a heavy-duty aluminum casting that ensures protection against any shock or any type of damage. Much like the competition, BESTEK features an aluminum alloy hosting that is both solid and durable. This feature allows it to withstand all types of severe environments. These two competitors just won't let up. With them having virtually identical features, this is another round that ends in a tie. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their power. One of the most important things you need to consider before your purchase is the inverter's continuous and peak power output. The peak output power is the rate an inverter delivers over a very short period of time to simply start up and power devices and tools. Continuous power output is the limit for stable operation. Be sure to choose the inverter that supports the number of watts that your device will be consuming. Krieger delivers 1,100 watts of continuous power with 2,200 watts of peak power, which is pretty high by any standard. On the other hand, BESTEK provides 300 watts of continuous power with 700 watts of instantaneous power. With Krieger delivering more than durable power of its competitor, it is capable of powering more electronic gadgets and tools. That said, Krieger takes home the gold in this tie-breaking round. We arrived at the end of this unbelievably close battle. The scores are in and we finally have a winner. BESTEK was able to score a total of 4 points, with every single point coming from a tie. However, Krieger has earned a point in every round, scoring a total of 5 points. Both the Krieger Power Inverter and the BESTEK 300 Watt Car Power Inverter are almost identical in every aspect. However, Krieger had the upper hand in terms of power. With that sole advantage, we will be giving Krieger the championship belt in today's brand wars. And there you have it, folks, the battle between the Krieger Power Inverter and the BESTEK 300 Watt Car Power Inverter has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next power inverter face-off which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at thetrustedchoppingguide.com again soon.